Afternoon traders, this is Eli, Senior Market Strategist with R.J.O'Brien Futures in Chicago. Today is August 19, 2:23 p.m. here Chicago time, covering precious metals market. Looking at gold here today, we have $14 after the Fed minutes were released today. Basically, the Fed, most of the Fed members, almost all Fed officials said that they need more evidence for economic growth. Labor market is strong enough to lift inflation. So they're looking for more evidence. And this morning we had a CPI number that came out. The Labor Department released this consumer price index that edged up about 0.1% last month. Gasoline, food, and price increased marginally. So the market coming into today's session, the metals were pretty strong, both gold and silver, but not as strong as after the Fed minutes. Technical buying has probably picked up since then. Last video, please review the previous video that I put out. And then I said, if we study an upside target, I was looking for somewhere between 1120, 1130, 30 price target. Today's high is 1131. And so now what you see in front of me here is the daily chart, and I see the trend line. This is our platform, R.J.O'Brien Futures Pro, and you can see this trend line target here. So I'm looking at, so eventually, if this price trend continues, and the next upside target could be about an 1160 area. Any rejection below 1108 or 1110, and certainly anything below 1100 would indicate that the market's moving downwards. So for now, we had a very strong day. A lot of it is just technical buy, and you've got a little bit of there's a little bit of indecision, seems like, from the Fed members. They're not all in sync. Some Fed members are talking about gradually, raising interest rate. Some want to see more evidence, but the majority of the Fed members are expecting to see, some sort of more improvement, more evidence before they move forward with that. So that's reflecting the charts. Silver is pretty strong today, and like I said in the previous videos as well, that's something to watch very carefully here, the silver market. And so if you have any questions, give me a call, and we can talk about these markets. Every day when I review these markets, things I look at the pivot numbers and support resistance numbers. Today's pivot for gold is 111060. The pivot is 111540. First support 111060. So if you're looking at the lows today, gold is 1115. So it's pretty much the pivot is the low today, and the first resistance 1127. So we shot up above that. Like I said, at this point, I don't really see a lot more movement upside right now. I think we're going to get a little bit back and forth here, but eventually, we'll see if this thing going to head up to that trend line number I showed you, 1160. So we're going to review the chart together here. Again, if you have any questions, contact me. My number below here. We can talk about trading strategies as well. Enjoy trading. Have a good day. Risk and may not suitable for all investors.